All right. Welcome back to Concept Development. This is Engage New York, Module 4, Lesson 6. Remember, going back to our objective is I can relate fractions as division to fraction of a set. So part of a set. So what is 1/3 of 6? That's what we're trying to figure out. So what we're going to start off with is we're going to go back to what we know about arrays. You learned about arrays in 3rd grade. Now, so we're going to use counters, and we're just going to use those in the circle. So let's draw an array of 6. Now we're going to take that array and we're going to divide that array into thirds. So what is 1/3 of 6? Well, 1/3 of 6 is 2, right? So it is 2, 6. That is it. 1/3 of, is 2, 6. So which is, how many counters is this? It's 2. So 2, 6. 2 of a 6 is equal to 2. So I'm going to take that off. So how many is 1/3 is equal to 2 of 6? So let's try it again. Let's go to 2/3 of 6. So let's try 2/3 of 6. So again, let's draw our 6. And we have thirds again. We're dividing it into thirds. And so how much does that give us? If we have 2 groups of 6, we have this group and this group. So 2/3 of 6 is 4. All right, then 3/3 of 6. So if I had 3/3 of 6, that would equal, so here are my 6. I'm going to divide it into thirds. So if I had this group, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So 3/3 of 6 equals, that's right, 6. So that's what we're going to be doing through this lesson. So we're going to use what we know about an array. We're going to divide it up into equal parts. And then we're going to find out what one part of that is. So let's start out with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I drew it because I knew I'm going to have to make 4 sections, right? 4 equal parts. So if I have one of the 4 equal parts, what does that give me? So 1 of the 4th of 12 is equal to 3. All right, how about, let's go 2/4 of 12. So 2/4 of 12, let's draw our 12s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have to draw it. We have to break this up into 4 equal groups or 4 equal sections. Now if I grabbed 2 of the sections, 1 section, 2 section, how many are in these 2 sections? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Broken it up into 4 equal sections. We grab 2 of the sections. So 2/4 of 12 is 6. Let's see. What other numbers do you want to play with? How about 3/4? Let's try 3/4 of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's break that up into 4 equal sections. Now let's grab 3 of those sections. 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. So 3/4 of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3/4 of 12 is equal to 9. Now, the obvious, what about 4/4 of 12? So that would mean I grabbed all 4 sections, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 equal sections. I have 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 sections. So 4/4 of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? All right, so 1/4 of 12 is equal to 3. 2/4 of 12 is equal to 6. 3/4 of 12 is equal to 9. And 4/4, so 4 sections of 4 is equal to 12. All right, there are only 4 problems in this concept development, so we're halfway there. All right, Mrs. Pham has 8 apples. She wants to give 3/4 of the apples to her students. How many apples will her students get? So we have to first start out by, we have to have 8 altogether, and I need to be able to section them into 4 equal groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to have 4 sections, right? And 3/4. So she wants to give 3/4 of the apples to her students. How many apples will her students get? So here's 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. So 3/4 of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. All right. What about 2/4? What about 1/4? So if we go 1/4, 2/4, and 4/4 of 8. And remember, the of in the middle is actually the multiplication sign also. It also equals multiplication. So let's try 1/4, 2/4, and then 4. Oh, wait. Yeah. 1/4, 2/4, and 4/4 of 8. So let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide it into 4 equal parts. So 1 of the 4th is equal to 2. Now 2/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide it into 4 equal sections. I'm going to grab 1 section, another section. How many are in 8 altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2/4 of 8 is 4. And then finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 equal parts. So if you have everything, all parts, you have 2, 4, 6, 8, right? And so 4 sections out of 4 sections of 8 is 8. All right. Now, our last problem is in a class of 24 students, 5, 6 are boys. How many boys are in the class? So we have 24 students altogether, and we need to cut it into 6 equal parts. I want to challenge you to start. I'm going to challenge you to try it on your own and come back and check your work. Okay, so did you start out by drawing 24 students? Now, I know to cut it into 6, and when I'm lining up my my markers, if you will, I know I need to have 6 equal sections. So when I'm counting it out, I want to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then keep going because I know I'm going to have to create 6 equal sections. So did you do that? And go back and see if you can find out what 5/6 of 24 is. How many is 5/6 of 24? All right, so did you divide yours up into 6 equal sections? How many are in section 1? This is 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 section, 5 section. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5 is 20, right? 20 students are boys in this class. Okay, now you could break that up into so many different ways. So you could figure out what 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, and then what's 6 over 6? That's the whole thing, right? So this class is heavy on their boys. They only have 4 girls. All right, that's going to do it for our concept development for lesson 6, module 4, lesson 6. Now, you are going to go onto your problem set. And in your problem set, you're doing exactly what we just did. Here, what's 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So see how this is cut vertically, this is cut horizontally. This is cut up into boxes. This is cut up into boxes. Then on the back, you have what is 4/7 of 14. Draw it and shade or just circle to get your answer. How does knowing 1/8 of 24 help you find 3/8 of 24? Doesn't that just involve some multiplication? Then there are 32 students in a class. Of the class, 3/8 of the students bring their own lunches. How many students bring their lunches? You could also figure out what fraction does not bring their lunch. Jack collected $18 bills, 18 $10 bills while selling tickets for a show. He gave 1/6 of the bills to the theater and kept the rest. How much money did he keep? So, figuring out money. Make sure you know 18 $10 bills. How much does that equal before you can actually start dividing it up? All right, so that will do it for concept development, part 2 of this lesson. You can check back on part 3, and that will be the problem set debrief.